All right, I'm pretty sure I already did a video on this, but I'm going to do another one because it bears repeating. So I'm not going to go through getting your chains on. You got to get your own chains on, but you get the tensioners. I bought tensioners, and I always wind up, the tensioners, the rubber cracks, or the spring, and they're big money. Every year, you take it off and you put it on. So I wanted to do something a little simpler, which is zip ties. And you have to get a good brand of zip tie or tie wrap, something that's going to hold up. But you just tension this thing with your tie wrap. I mean, it's just, and then, maybe I put another one opposite. But that's all there is to it. A couple of these things, and your chain's tension, and sometimes the tension will come off, and you just tighten these things up. So I don't clip the ends off until I've run it a little bit, because they do, maybe they'll come loose, and I'll just tighten them up a little bit more. But then once they're good, you clip the ends off, and you got nice tight chains. That's it. That's all there is to it. Maybe I'll throw another one on here. But it's an easy little, I don't know what they call them, a hack, a life hack, right? Save yourself a bunch of time and money from messing around with chain tensioners. I also wanted to throw it out like on the back side of the tire, right? Like I got an extra link, so I'll zip tie that link back to take up any slack on the back side too, because that way that won't be flopping around hitting anything, and you won't have slop on either side. And this works with anything. It works with lawn tractors, garden tractors, snow throwers. I don't know about using it on a car, but any kind of off-road stuff, I've had good success with this. So just wanted to share that. All right, one more little tidbit. When you're pulling that extra slop, if there is any, make sure you're pulling tension against the hook, not the other way, so that it keeps tension on this hook and that the link can't pop out. So when I'm pulling this back, I'm creating more tension here, so this link can't come out. Because if you do it the other way, the link could possibly come out. So just wanted to make sure I was clear about that.